I am K. Siddhas from Tamil Nadu, CIET College, and he's.
I am Jamil Umar from Tamil Nadu, Sri Ishwar College of Engineering.
I am Anish Shah from Tamil Nadu.
Our project is about customizable sign language translator cloud. Just assume I am a deaf and dumb and others are general people. If we talk with them in the sign language, they couldn't understand. That was the major problem faced by every deaf and dumb people, so that it leads to a major communication barrier for every students and other people. So that I have made this cloud which is very affordable and is customizable. They can assign their own signs and they can reflect in my own app. That's what my project is about, and it is very affordable because the manufacturing cost of my project is just 1,000 rupees and the marketing price of my project is just 6,000 rupees. But compared to other companies, their companies uses the manufacturing cost of the other companies is 6,000 rupees and their marketing cost is about 20k. So that is very affordable, and an average middle class family can use these projects. This project is inspired by my friend who is Ariharan. He is deaf and dumb. He couldn't speak or hear. He couldn't listen to classes. So that I have made a solution for him, and I wish to bring it to the society so that many people like him can converse with the people and be ordinary in their lives. That's what my project is about. And the USP of my project is that the signs can be assigned by the user himself and can be set in my app, and I am developing a own web app so that it is very easy and the voices can be sent through it. Thank you, sir.